Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I am putting together my winter capsule wardrobe. I'm doing this so that I don't end up wearing sweatpants every single day for the next few months, and I'm starting by clearing off my freestanding unit and putting away all of my open-toed shoes because it's actually cold here in Los Angeles. I love color, I love pattern, and I'm not a stylist, I'm just someone who's wanting to put a little more effort into how I dress in the coming months. If you're new here, my name is Carla. I make videos about decluttering and organizing, so click the like button, click the subscribe button, and welcome. Winter is officially here in Los Angeles. Winter solstice is on Wednesday, and it has been 41 degrees here all week, which is extremely cold for Los Angeles. I also read a report this week that it feels colder in LA because it's so dry that it makes the cold even colder. Anyways, it's my chance, it's my opportunity to wear scarves, leggings, tights, jackets, maybe even boots, because you know, LA is just 90% of the time bright sunshine. I'm not gonna live in sweatpants this winter. I'm going to create a 10-item wardrobe. I bought a few things during Black Friday. Let's put together my winter wardrobe. First thing I think about is, what does my social life look like in the coming months? I don't know everything, but I know in the coming week, I have a brunch with friends, winter solstice party, a date night, a lot of lounging around the home and just being comfy and cozy with Christmas coming up. I want something for all of those different occasions. A lot of the stuff I put together will probably include a pair of jeans. I think I'm gonna pick out at least one of my dresses from fall, summer, and see how I can turn it into winter. Let's begin. Oh yeah, hello, I cut my hair. Forgot to tell you. What do you guys think? I love it, it's so light. It's so light. I like it, I like it. Let's put together a winter capsule wardrobe. Here we go. Going to pick out a few things from my closet. I know I want this dress for sure. If there's any other. I want this dress. Definitely this coat. Let's see. This is one of the new tops I purchased, and is this turtleneck I got. Let's pick out some denim. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. I wish I fit into this. It's the only thing in my closet I don't fit into. Summer, 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 summer. I think I got my 10 items. So I've got 2 dresses, 2 pairs of denim, a dark pair and a lighter pair, a turtleneck, a wrap top, kind of a shoulder, off the shoulder top, which this is more like going out at night. And I've got a little comfy cotton lounge onesie, a pair of sweats, and a t-shirt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm gonna pick out shoes and accessories. It is the busiest time of the year, and I am so thankful that I get Factor meals delivered to my house every single week. Today I am having keto Monterey spinach chicken with sun-dried tomato Alfredo and cauliflower gratin. I would not be able to make a meal this delicious. The food is so amazing. It's ready in 2 minutes. It's pre-prepared by chefs for me, for you. They have all kinds of different options, and their menus are updated every single week. Factor saves me so much money. It is cheaper than dining out. It's cheaper than delivery. It's cheaper than takeout. And I know everything that's going into the food. Chef-crafted meals that are guilt-free, that you can enjoy with quality ingredients, which is really important to me. All of the food is fresh. It's never frozen, delivered straight to your doorstep. My Factor meals are helping me with the goals that I'm setting for the new year to stay in a healthy body, stay on my health journey. They have a special offer for you. Head to go.factor75.com/thecarlaproject60 and use code thecarlaproject60 to get 60% off your first Factor box. Again, head to go.factor75.com/thecarlaproject60 and use code thecarlaproject60 for 60% off your first Factor box. Thank you, Factor. Mwah. Back to the video. These are my accessory bins. This is mainly shapewear, but I have a pair of leggings in here that I'll use. These are my hats. I don't know if I'll wear any hats, and these are my scarves. I'll use that for accessorizing, and then these are all of my shoes that are closed toe. Actually, these are not closed toe. So I can choose from these. I'll probably pick out 3 or 4 pairs of shoes. Probably pick like, I think I'll do my combat boots. Yeah, maybe my loafers. Definitely my tennis shoes. I think that might be what I pick for. And maybe those Mary Jane type heels too. For outerwear, I'm gonna do this furry jacket that I thrifted for $1 at a yard sale. And this long coat, this is by 32 Degrees. I mean, it was like $40. It's a very long parka. It's warm, but not too warm. I love it. Okay, so those will be my 2 jackets. Definitely gonna do this shapewear. I bought this on Amazon a while ago, and it's great because it has a little bit of boning in it where it's almost like a corset. So it really holds in the tummy area, but it's stretchable, so it's not that painful and unbearable. So I'm gonna use this and my tights. Black tights. I wish I had gray tights, but I don't. Okay, black tights and my shapewear. That's good. Okay, let's see. Let's get started. What do we think? T-shirt over turtleneck? I don't know, I think it's kind of cool. T-shirt over turtleneck. Bundle up with it. Good shopping outfit. Out in the cold all day. Big purse, big scarf, big boots. I like it with this coat. So cute, so cozy. Perfect. Long coat. Got this from Michelle, whose closet I decluttered. Okay. Looking full gangsta. All right, I love it. Excuse me. What's your drink of choice? Negroni? Smoky Alto? With Prosecco in it? Oh, stunning.